Hello and welcome back on my channel Sheet Metal Workshop, and I want to present here a new machine I've got from Swatmans Machines, and it's the RKP3, and it's actually a segment punch machine, and it makes holes, so it's really ideal for screw holes on segments, and the stamps for the holes are standard 3.3 millimeter. And the good thing on this thing is you can move here these elements to the left and the right, and we have here also a side distance where we also can adjust by moving it, and then we have here behind for the overlap distance. Now the machine is already set up on 50 millimeter overlap, but if you want to have more, you can put it to the back, or less, you can pull it to the front. Well, that was it what I wanted to explain. So it's pneumatic, it's a pneumatic machine. It works between 6 and 8 bar, and it also punches steel up to 1.2 millimeter. Well, I have here also got a 0.8 millimeter stainless steel piece, so let me show here. So 0.8 millimeter stainless steel, so let's have a check. So no problem, 15 millimeter overlap, so 2 times 15 millimeter, and it will punch 0.8 millimeter. Now, next thing what I'm going to do, because I mentioned it's a segment puncher, so we have here a starter segment, so I want to adjust it really quick, so I'm going to show really quick here, for example, the distance, one here and one here. And now, so it doesn't matter actually if you hold it like this or like this. So there it is. So we have here, punch those holes, and now we're going to round it. You can see here, it's perfect, so no problem. Now, next thing what you can do is also, if you want to punch a segment and the segment is a little bit too tight, now these two elements, they have exactly from center punch until center punch 25 millimeter, and I need exactly less. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use only one element and hold it here. Turn the segment. And you see now the distance is here now closer. So we're going to round it again. And here also the same result. See, fits perfect. Okay, well, that was it what I wanted to explain about this machine. It's a very good machine if you're doing a lot by hand cutting by hand segments and bands. Also cuts, you can also punch other stuff, T-pipes or anything else. So you can have a maximum range, officially 300 millimeter. If you're using this side element here, but if you move it, then you can actually use the whole wide, and that is 335 millimeter. But normally you will stay always in the distance of 300 millimeter because it's a segment puncher, and you can also punch other stuff with it. Okay, well, that was it what I wanted to show about this incredible new machine I've got. And if you want to have more information or more details, technical details about this machine, there's a link in the video description about this. You just go on the link and you will have more information. Okay, well, that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget thumb up, and see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.